On day 17 of our 30 days to a deal challenge. All right, big news today is that our contract that we had just fell through yesterday. Title issues. Okay, this has been a bad year for me for title issues. I have had about 5 really good deals fall through with bad title issues. In this case, there was a tax sale from 2013 that has not been quieted, and they told me it would take at least 6 months to a year to quiet with an attorney. And this is a $30,000 house, and it's just not worth the trouble. The upside is certainly not worth the risk or the expense of quieting this title. So I feel bad. The seller is quite upset and doesn't quite understand. There's actually some other title issues as well because she bought it on a quitclaim deed, which we can talk about on another video. But you do not buy houses on quitclaim deeds. Do not, because it leaves you open to these problems. Okay, so on to our ad set here. Okay, we the cost per lead is going up a little bit. All right, we're up in the $20 cost per lead. The lead flow has really slowed down, although we're at 20 leads. You can see the frequency now is 2.02. That means everybody is seeing the ads twice. Okay, I usually cut it off around 1.3, 1.4, but it was producing. All right, our impressions are going staying about the same, 3.8.9%. Not the impressions, the click-through rate. So let's dig down a little deeper here. From July 1 to now, we're at $20 per lead. But like I said, the lead flow has decreased in the last few days. Let's just see what the cost per lead is just for the last few days. All right, 20, interesting. Let's go 15 to 17. 26, all right, you see that. And then 16 to 17, I don't think we've had any leads. So there's no cost per lead, all right? So we're trending upward. I'm going to let this run for today simply because I have other things to do and I don't have the campaign set up ready yet. So we're going to set up a new campaign and then we're going to turn this off and start a new one tomorrow and start fresh. Same market, but it's going to start to go to different people in the market. All right, we're only spending $25 a day. And there's, a couple of million people in this market. So we haven't hit all the people. Once we reset the ads with some updated ad copy and ad text, it'll go out to a whole new group of people. So let's continue on for the remainder of our 30 days to a deal and see if we can actually get a deal that sticks. All right. Until then, have a great day.